Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Girl with Goals, and in this episode I'm going to bring out the chef in me. The quarantine time has got everyone cooking up something or the other dishes. So what I have here is three simple recipes which require a minimum of 2 to 5 minutes, minimal ingredients, and also the cooking skill is like almost nothing. So here we are making three recipes. One is bread pizza, which is very quick to make and everyone will love it. The second one is a healthier version of a snacking option, which is Masala Makhana. And the third one is Kurkure Bhel, which I've made from my favorite flavor of Kurkure. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you try these dishes, do let me know in the comment section below. So let's get into the video. So guys, this was my take on quarantine recipes. So if you loved this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Also, until next time, stay tuned to Girl with Girls.